In global coronavirus headlines this morning, the UK, the government there announcing it's going to force people arriving from Spain to quarantine. The change comes after Spain reported rising COVID cases, especially in the northeast region of Catalonia. Other countries also taking action as well. European travel stocks falling on that news. And Phil LeBeau joins us now with what Ryanair is saying this morning. Is it the great CEO that says things that always just wait around to hear because we just can't, he's almost like...
He never disappoints.
No, he doesn't.
There are earnings calls that you go, all right, I'm going to yawn a little bit. And there are earnings calls when you say, oh, yeah, get the popcorn. Michael O'Leary has something to say, and he had something to say about the UK quarantines. He called it a badly managed overreaction. By the way, that call just wrapped up, and a good chunk of it, he talked about the impact of these quarantines. Not only did he say that the UK quarantine is a badly managed overreaction, he also said that Ryanair will be challenging Ireland's quarantine. And when you look at what's happening over there, the challenge is not only for Ryanair, but really for all of the airlines, is if these quarantines continue, it essentially locks down inter-country service within Europe. So it's not a good move at this point from their perspective. Now, the public health perspective is a completely different story. A couple other notes from the Ryanair call, which just wrapped up. He said that he was asked a number of questions about the 737 MAX, and he said that they are talking with Boeing about compensation and repricing of the MAX. Also that they expect to receive their first MAX by the end of the year and potentially up to 40 by next summer. Also, when you look at the MAX, he says that he would not be surprised that it may be delayed by regulators outside of the United States. And he is, as I mentioned, worried about the impact of these 14-day quarantines. By the way, speaking of Boeing, don't forget that they are having their earnings on Wednesday. And as we reported on Friday, they are going to be delaying the rollout of the 777X, given the fact that the wide-body market, international travel, it's dead in the water, and it's not coming back anytime soon. So, guys, a morning filled with headlines, and you see the pressure that was on Ryanair. Oh, and one last one, guys, because I know you love these Michael O'Leary quotes. He was asked about subsidies, different countries saying, we're going to subsidize our airline, whatever it might be. He said, it's like giving monkeys machine guns. There's going to be more casualties in the airline industry, in the words of Michael O'Leary. But again, he does not disappoint.